Welcome to We1 Aviation Academy, your gateway to a successful career in aviation. If you've recently completed your 12th grade with a background in physics and mathematics, you have the opportunity to embark on an exhilarating journey as a pilot. Our academy offers a comprehensive range of courses designed to suit various aspirations within the aviation industry, ensuring that you gain the necessary skills and training for your dreams. Firstly, we provide several key flight training programs. Our commercial pilot license, or CPL, is tailored for those aspiring to become airline pilots. This course equips you with the expertise needed to navigate commercial airliners and manage passenger safety. For those seeking to fly for personal pleasure, our private pilot license, or PPL, offers the perfect pathway. Encompassing essential flying skills, the PPL allows you to fly privately, giving you the freedom to explore the skies at your leisure. In addition to pilot licenses, We1 Aviation Academy offers specialized courses such as DGCA ground classes, which are essential for students preparing for their DGCA exams. Our cadet pilot program prep is specifically designed to help you crack airline-sponsored training programs, providing you with a competitive edge in the field. Moreover, our multi-engine and instrument rating, MEIR, course focuses on advanced flight training, giving you the ability to handle complex aircraft operations and enhancing your aviation skills. To be eligible for our programs, applicants must have completed their 12th education with physics and mathematics. If you are 17 years or older, you can start your training right away. Additionally, a DGCA Class 1 or 2 medical certificate is required to ensure you meet health standards for flying. We encourage you to begin this rewarding journey as soon as possible. What sets We1 Aviation apart is our commitment to excellence. Our expert training team delivers a DGCA-approved syllabus, ensuring that you receive the highest standard of education in aviation. Alongside this, we offer 100% job placement assistance, helping you secure your dream job upon graduation. Additionally, our courses are designed to be affordable, with flexible payment plans to accommodate your financial needs. Start your pilot journey today. Don't miss out on the chance to soar through the skies with a career in aviation. Contact us now to learn more about our courses and how we can help you achieve your dreams of becoming a pilot. Join We1 Aviation Academy and take the first step towards an exciting future.